this next one is pretty close to your heart, right?
Yes, it's so close to my heart and also a classic. It is so beautiful in its simplicity, and like a lot of Mary Poppins songs, it contains a lesson. Yes, we can shout it out for Mary. We all love her. We all love her. Honestly, this is my favorite song from the entire score, and it's hard to choose because they're all so incredible and unforgettable. But the lesson in this one is finding the joy and the fulfillment in acts of kindness, and that even the smallest gesture can have a profound impact. Each day to the steps of St. Paul's, a little old bird woman comes. In her own special way, to the people she calls. Come, buy my bags full of crumbs. Come, feed the little birds, showing them you care, and you'll be glad if you do. The young ones are hungry, their nests are so bare. All it takes is tones from you. Feed the birds, tuppence a bag, tuppence, tuppence a bag. Feed the birds, that's what she cries, while overhead her birds fill the skies. All around the cathedral, the saints and apostles look down as she says the bells. Although you can't see them, you know they are smiling each time someone shows that he cares. Though her words are simple and few, listen, listen, she's calling to you. Feed the birds, tuppence a bag. Tuppence, tuppence, tuppence a bag. Tuppence, tuppence, tuppence a bag.
Ashley Brown. Absolutely stunning. So stunning.
Thank you so much. Honestly, I never, ever get sick of singing that song, and I truly mean that. Honestly, every time I sing that song, I'm reminded of how lucky I am to do what I do. Yes, have we worked hard, but we were given the opportunity, and we were ready for that opportunity, but it doesn't fall short that it's not normal in our lives.
Right, yeah, absolutely.
And that we've gotten so many amazing opportunities, and Mary Poppins, of course, changed my life. I've been able to sing that song for Julie Andrews, and that wasn't nerve-wracking at all. I've been able to do Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious with Dick Van Dyke. And his legs still go higher than mine at 97,000 years old. But he's incredible, and they're both just amazing. And spending time with Richard Sherman while putting the show up on Broadway. It's just such a gift. And it brought me here tonight to be able to share that with you. So thank you so